Hey, we're doing a clear headlight restoration, and what we've done is we've sanded this down with a 400 grit or 1000 grit and a 1500 grit. We do it by hand. We don't use any power tools. The reason that we put this tape around it is in case there's some overspray, then you can just peel that tape right after the process and it's completely finished. It's real simple to do. It only takes about 15 or 20 minutes. Once you get it to this point, you want to make sure it's a very smooth surface. You want to do it in a controlled environment. You don't want to do this in the rain when there's a lot of moisture, and you want your can to be around room temperature. We're ready to spray it, and then after that we're going to cure it, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Come in close. As you can see, it completely makes it clear. It only needs one coat. This product has a UV inhibitor in it, so it won't turn yellow. It has a hardening agent, and it's activated by ultraviolet lights. You can use the black light, or you can use the sunlight. You can order a can for yourself for $24.95 at Klear.us, or you can buy a bigger can, a 13-ounce can, and you can do 12 sets of lights with one can. Once I've cured this in about 5 minutes, you can take the tape off, and then you can deliver the vehicle. Again, you can do 12 sets with the bigger can. Just go to Klear.us for videos and further instructions, or give us a call at 210-334-7392 if you'd like to either purchase a can for yourself, or if you'd like to set an appointment so we can do the process for you. Again, it comes with a warranty against yellowing for as long as you own the vehicle, and a guarantee that the light shines through.